train. Hey, Dalen, how far away can you smell trains?
1,000 miles. I'm joking.
Better you're a mile away and it took you a second.
Nah.
Your senses all a little.
No.
Remember train? Oh, look, that one right there. Look at that. Kelso? Queso.
It's like queso with a K. Some of the graffiti on this looks like
Decent?
yeah. But
Most of the time you'll see them.
I do graffiti on paper.
Man. Oh, it's a TT. Yeah, it's
Yeah.
Ow!
I think it's on.
There's another one. Holy crap!
That's a company.
You do know you're not even recording, right?
Yeah, I am.
He is. I see people. Try!
See this one right here? The blue one. Looks pretty good.
Spy! That one.
Wonder. Nope, you can't do
Let's
it.
go GTA and jump on that train. I'm getting bored. I want to jump on it.
It's going slow now. You
I
can.
said lost.
Somewhere it's so I look better when I dance.
Blue. They need to have a ramp so that you have an option to like ramp over the train. That'd be awesome. If I ever became president, we'd have ramps at every train thing, like right next to the road. Or like bridges over.
No, ramps.
I don't think you'll get president. Oh, I mean, we did get
We did get Trump. And they even thinking about Hillary. I mean, yeah, I think I have a good chance. I like, this is my, I would put ramps at every train track. So if a train comes, you can just ramp over that thing.
Mexicans trying to get across the back.
Hey man, I like Mexicans, they are workers.
Yeah, it's
I'm thinking, if I ever became president, I'd kick all the white people out. Kick all the crackheads and everything. Go in Mexico where you belong.
It's not right, you know. It's, the
Let
whites
Mexico.
kind of came in here and took it from Native Americans, so it's
And the Mexicans, so. Oh, look at that. We took Texas from the Mexicans.
We did.
We took a lot of those people from the Mexicans.
Texas, New Mexico, and Arizona.
We took New Mexico, Arizona, and Texas.
A truck. Look at that truck. That truck.
Look.
Truck. Look at that truck.
Oh yeah.
That-
Have you ever seen the stations that these things are loaded in? The intermodal stations?
Duh.
Yeah. They look cool. Like they're big.
My friend's dad, the one that I wanted to come over, his dad works for Union Pacific. You did? I want to go.
Did not.
I'm doing that whenever I grow up.
I'm gonna hurt you.
No, like I'm not joking.
I'm not joking. I'm gonna hurt you.
If the
And
train
Keegan
goes-
too.
Please do. Call the cops. She heard me.